It means there's a problem.
Your voice is very sweet.
If you have something to lose, then you are losing her.
She has to be named Elidon.
It was foretold in the land of Turuil that in some centuries to come, a child is going to be born.
Hannah, tell me, how would you title that story?
I can just look into Faith's eyes as she cries of hunger.
My Pakalo company is dead.
My king, you talk too much.
This child will end up jailing the mother, life imprisonment with hard labor. The mother of this child will kill the child's child.
Karim, Mulambwa nanya amangumpiana.
Mpo now, Jumo, Nikana Mbo.
What Yalambunaga, I will deal with you, like a little bomb baby.
Without me, there is no test.
How dare you talk to me like that?
I will talk to you like that.
Eventually, the child shall die, but this child, with the help of the mother in prison, will be the one to save the Turuil kingdom from bondage.
Please, if you want to talk to me, go and apologize to Raymond before.
You don't walk out on me. I've been on listening. So can I junk at you?
Can you into natural castle? He see. Yinzinyame, that's all, Jilma.
You the more keep me in the dark with your words I do not understand.
Go home! Go home! Go home!
They call it prophecy, but we call it Lashivse. The mystery. Showing each and every Thursday on ZA TV, 8 to 8:30 p.m. Don't miss it.